Hello guys, and welcome back to one of my video again. And guys, this will be the site, will be the new site which is to mine Dogecoin for free without any serious deposits. So guys, this site have been a long term site. I've been paying for days now, and you can see I've withdrawn Dogecoin from this site, and they offer different kind of um plans. So now start ending on this side. Don't come here and click on buy miner. When you come buy miner here, guys, you send to their place where you can buy your miner. Then come here and just select this one. For 10 days, deposit only 100 Doge for 10 days. Just go and select it. Come back, come under here and click on Tron. Let's say you want to deposit through Tron. Then when you click on Tron, click on spend. When you click on this spend now, I'm going to send it to a part where you deposit using Tron. You can see, just copy the Tron wallet address here. Then copy it and send 94.7 Tron to the address, and for 7 there's 94.7 Tron to the address, and you get credited after after it's been confirmed. So guys, this site is really legit, and so there's no risks here. Really legit, and they have been paying for over 2 years, like I said at the beginning of this video, and they'll be paying. So just use the site now and start earning Dogecoin on this site. So guys, now when you have earned Dogecoin and withdraw, look on baby says withdraw funds. When you click on withdraw funds here, guys, you're going to send it to your place where you can withdraw your money. Just click on this amount of Dogecoin to withdraw. Then come here now, click on it, say to withdraw Dogecoin. Click on Dogecoin. Come here now, put the amount. I click on request. When you click on request here, guys, you can see they could send it to your wallet after 24 hours. I can see my balance is 13 Dogecoin. I can request nothing less than 30 Dogecoin. That's why I've not reached the minimum to withdraw from this site. Okay, guys, now when done with that, you can just come here and also do your referral system, where you come here and copy referral link. Change people just to get people to click on your link and register, and can also earn from their daily minings, just to boost your minings. So guys, this is how this site works, and remember the link to this site will be available in the description of this video. Go on that link now and get an account on this site and start earning Dogecoin for free. So thanks for watching this video, and make sure you see you in my next video.